Narrator, this is the story of an epic prophecy, Ghazwa-e-Hind. Not just a battle, but a vision mentioned in hadiths, foreseeing a time when the forces of Islam will rise in the land of Hind, India. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Two groups of my ummah, whom Allah will protect from the hellfire, a group who will conquer India, and a group who will be with Isa ibn Maryam, Jesus, son of Mary." In today's world, driven by material progress, some believers hold on to the hope that the message of Islam will shine brightly again, potentially beginning with Ghazwa-e-Hind. Dr. Israr Ahmed believed this battle is not just military but profoundly spiritual, a fight for the revival of Islamic values in the subcontinent. A time when young Muslims return to their faith, their identity, and their Quran. This is not a war of guns, it's a war of hearts and minds. Ghazwa-e-Hind represents the clash of ideologies, truth against falsehood, and ultimately, as the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Victory will be for those who fight with faith and conviction." Are we preparing ourselves, spiritually, morally, and mentally, for a battle that might be closer than we think? May Allah guide us and keep us on the path of truth. Wa nuridu an naumuna ala laudina studifu fi lardi. We intend to favor those who were oppressed in the land,